In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download RunwayML app on Android. First, let's begin by opening the Google Play Store. On your Android device, locate the Play Store icon, which usually looks like a colorful triangle. It is typically found on your home screen or in the app drawer. Tapping on this icon will take you to a world of applications. The Play Store is essential because it provides a safe and reliable platform to download apps. Once the Play Store is open, you will be greeted with various featured apps and games, but we will focus on our task. Next, we will search for RunwayML. At the top of the Play Store, you will see a search bar. Tap on it to activate the keyboard. Here, you can type in RunwayML to find the app quickly. Make sure you spell it correctly to ensure accurate results. As you type, suggestions may appear below the search bar. This feature helps you to find the app faster. Once you have entered the name, hit the search icon, which is usually represented as a magnifying glass. This step is important as it narrows down your search, making it easier to find the exact app you need. Now select RunwayML by Runway AI Inc. In the search results, you will see a list of apps. Look for the one that has the name RunwayML along with the developer name Runway AI Inc. It is crucial to choose the correct app to avoid downloading something unrelated. When you find it, tap on the app icon. This will take you to the app's page where you can see more information about it, including its features, user reviews, and ratings. This information can help you make informed decisions about whether this app is right for you. Next, tap Install. You will notice a button that says Install on the app page. By tapping this button, you are initiating the download and installation process. This step is significant because it allows the app to be added to your device. Depending on your internet connection, this process may take a few moments. You will see a progress bar indicating the download status. It is reassuring to know that you are on track to get the app. Once the app has downloaded and installed, you will see the option to tap Open. This button typically appears immediately after the installation is complete. By tapping Open, you will launch the RunwayML app for the first time. This is an exciting moment as you are now ready to explore the features of the app. It is always great to see an app you've just installed in action. At this point, you will need to sign in or create a Runway account. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials to log in. If you are new to Runway, you can create a new account directly from the app. This step is important because having an account allows you to save your projects and access them across devices. Follow the on-screen prompts, entering any required information like your email and password. This process secures your access to the app and its features. Finally, you are ready to start creating AI images and videos. Once you are logged in, the app will guide you through its interface. You will see options to start new projects and explore various tools. This is where your creativity can flourish. With RunwayML, you can harness the power of artificial intelligence to create stunning visuals and videos. This app opens up a world of possibilities for content creation, so don't hesitate to dive in and experiment. And there you have it. You have successfully downloaded and set up the RunwayML app on your Android device. Enjoy creating.